What is going on, guys? Mo with Auto Addict over here. We are at APR in Chino, California. Here with my guy Arturo. We're getting ready to set up the booth. As you can see, we're super excited. We're in early with APR. As you can see, they're setting up right next to us. And then Easy Motorsports is going to be right there. It's a little bit emptier now, but I'll give it about 45 minutes before everybody starts showing up. We already got some early birds down there already showing up and lining up. Let's get this booth set up, guys. We're super happy to meet everybody and say what's up and market this event with APR and get started from there. What's going on, guys? Here at APR Performance Cars and Coffee in Chino, California. Right next to me is my good friend Joe, the owner of the 2013 ZL1. Gonna have him take off from there and have you guys get introduced to him.
How you guys doing? My name is Joe Lopez from Empire's Finest Camaros, and this is my 2013 ZL1. I got the Copo carbon fiber hood from AutoAddicts. I'm hoping to get the trunk and the wing done in the near future. Eventually we'll get it lowered, maybe some new wheels. It's never done.
There you go, there you go. You guys heard it. Super excited. Joe's one of our amazing clients and as well a great member of Empire Finance. We're super excited. It's a very clean, stealth looking ZL1. Make sure you guys follow him. We'll put his IG handle and his car club handle as well to make sure you guys stay updated with everything he's got on his ZL1.
All right. Can I get a medium, please?
Medium.
Which is
Arrow.
Medium arrow.
I got 4, 8, 9.
Yeah.
9. 4, 8, 9.
4, 8, 9. All right. Sweet. Cool. Oh, that's a video.